Okay, now we got another rationalizing, but on the bottom we don't just have a root, we've got a it's like 2 plus a root, 3 plus a root, something like that. And there's a very special technique here called using the conjugate. You'll use this in complex numbers quite a bit. So this is the technique. Whatever's on the bottom, multiply by the conjugate, which means you're just changing the sign of the square root part. So I've got 2 minus root 5. But if I multiply the bottom by 2 minus root 5, I multiply the top by root 5. So literally this is a learned technique. You take what's on the bottom and you change the sign of the square root part and you multiply in. Remember, it's back-to-back brackets now. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times minus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 5 minus root 5 by 2 minus 2 root 5. Now minus by minus is a plus, and root 5 by root 5 is 5. The square root of 25, which is 5. On the bottom, 2 2s is 4. 2 by minus root 5 is minus 2 root 5. Root 5 by 2 is plus 2 root 5. And root 5 by minus root 5, it's a minus, and root 5 by root 5 is 5. This will always happen then. You'll have your minus 2 root 5 and plus 2 root 5 will cancel every single time. So on the top, I've got 4 plus root 5, for 4 plus 5 is 9. Minus 2 root 5, minus 2 root 5, minus 2x, minus 4 root 5. And on the bottom, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Okay, now minus 1, you can, if you want, you can get rid of the fraction then, because you can essentially, it's the negative of it. So it's like minus 9 plus 4 root 5 if you need to. Okay, the second one here now, you'll see we have 2 square root signs. So which one do I change the sign of? Well, to be honest with you, you need to get rid of them. You need to write them so you only have 1 square root sign. So if we look at root 8, for example, I know I could write that as root 4 root 2 minus root 2. And I know that root 4 is 2, so I have 2 root 2 minus root 2. So 2 root 2, take away root 2, just leaves me with 1 root 2. And we know from our simpler examples, the easiest way to get rid of that is to multiply the top and the bottom by just the root. I don't need to do the conjugate thing this time because I don't have a real number that I need to get rid of. So 1 times root 2 is root 2, and then root 2 by root 2 is 2.